Now to make the cord, just measure roughly about 10 times the width of your bag. Now all we want to do is a simple chain. So start by doing a slip knot. And as I chain, I'm going to make sure that my chain stitches are actually quite tight. So I chain and pull, chain and pull, chain and pull. When you get to the end of your chain, just pull the yarn and then tighten it. Feed the cord through the loops. Now let's just quickly tie a knot at the end of the yarn end. Just a simple knot. Actually, I'll do 2 of them. And you want the knot to be as close to the end as possible. And then cut the yarn end off. And there you go, then feel free to close your bag. And this is our finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.